Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be using the Iluvsarahii palette, and this palette is a collab that she did with Dose of Colors. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to be grabbing my COVERGIRL Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I'm going to be applying that all over my eye, and I'm going to be using that as my primer. For eyebrows, I went ahead and applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and that's in color Ebony. Alright, so for the first base, I'm going to be grabbing Finders Keepers, and I'm going to be applying that all over the crease area. Alright, so now moving on to my second transition shade, I'm going to be grabbing Poquito Más. So for this shade, I'm going to be using my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to be just blending it out in circular motions. Alright, so now to cut the crease, I'm going to be using COVERGIRL's Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I'm going to be applying it with a flat brush. Alright, so now I'm going to quickly grab some Laura Mercier powder, and I'm going to set that right on top of where I applied some concealer. Alright, so now for the shimmery shade, we're going to be applying color Sun Glow, and I'm going to be applying this with a flat brush. Alright, so now going back to my Morphe M330 brush, I'm going to go into the inner and the outer corner, and I'm just going to blend all those colors in. Alright, so off camera, I applied some NYX liquid liner, and I applied it on my top lash line. And then I also applied some Huda Beauty lashes, and those are in Sasha number 11. Alright, so now moving on to the face, I'm going to be applying some Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, and this primer smells so good. It has a coconut smell, and it also feels very fresh. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying some Too Faced Born This Way foundation in color Sand. Alright, so now I'm going to be working on the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking color Poquito Más, and I'm going to be building it up until we get like a dark shade, just like we did on our crease area on the top. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing L'Oreal Voluminous eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying that to my waterline. You can just take any black liner you have and apply it to your waterline, and that's just going to make our eyes stand out more because we are going for a dark look under the eyes. Alright, now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be taking Born This Way from Too Faced, and this is color Light Beige. This is a really good concealer. This video was actually my first time trying it out, but I did not have a lot of crease under my eyes, so far I do love this concealer. Now to contour my face, I'm going to be using Ulta Sculpting Stick, and this is to contour just a little bit on the hollow of my cheeks and also to define my nose. Alright, so I'm going to be setting with Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing COVERGIRL's Lash Blast Volume Mascara, and I'm going to be applying it to my lower lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking MAC's Powder Blush in color Coppertone. Alright, so for my highlight, I'm going to be using Carly Bybel's Deluxe Palette. Alright, moving on to the tear duct, I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of that blue color, and that's in Palma, again from the Iluvsarahii Dose of Colors palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that with a Q-tip, and that's just to make the look a little bit more fun. Alright, for the lips, I decided to go with this color, and this is from Milani, and it's called Addiction Dependence. Alright guys, so this concludes the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.